Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dirk from Costa Rica here, and you are here. You found my video probably because you're searching for ways how to make money in Costa Rica. You're searching, working in Costa Rica, jobs in Costa Rica, or a combination of that. So how can you make money in Costa Rica, and how do you find working jobs here in Costa Rica? We live here in Costa Rica since 2018. We are from the Netherlands, and we live here as a family, the Sunshine family. And most likely you see more videos of Muriel than you see of me. I'm more the techie part of things. And how do you share the knowledge on how you can make money in Costa Rica? Maybe you have the idea to come to Costa Rica. Maybe you want to live here. Maybe you just want to be here temporarily, and you're traveling around the world. And you're, traveling from place to place and see if you can work. But it's 2023. Why would you do that? Well, I can imagine that there are some things that it's nice to do that because you meet more people maybe, but there are other ways to make more people. I want to share with you how you can make money in Costa Rica, or how you can make money from anywhere in the world without needing a job. No jobs in Costa Rica. You don't have to work here specifically in Costa Rica, but you can make money from Costa Rica if you want that. A program I want to share with you, because Muriel and I are from the Netherlands, like I said. We used to own restaurants, but we hate bankruptcy. We had $300,000 debt, but we still had dreams. The dreams didn't go bankrupt. So how can we, that was our question, how can we accomplish that with $300,000 debt, not being able to move around to go anywhere? We managed to be successful online. We started to make money online with something that's called affiliate marketing. And trust me, if I talk about experience, you can use your travel adventures, your fun and every day, and transform that into a high-paying income online. It sounded like to us when we started, but soon we discovered that it was possible. We started in 2014, 2015 Muriel was able to quit her job. 2016 I sold the last restaurant, and 17 we went on holiday in Costa Rica, and in 2018 we decided to move here because we already made money online. So why not change the view to a little bit more nicer view? And we bought our own property here and living truly in paradise. And that is the thing. Why would you move to a beautiful country like Costa Rica and find yourself working 40-50 hours a week in a dead-end job? I mean, the local pay is super low, $3-4 an hour, and you want to have a steady income from at least $5,000 a month to live comfortably here in Costa Rica. That's my experience. Costa Rica is not cheap. So we started to do this testing with an all-in-one business, because it has all the components that you need. And this is us. Here you see Dirk and Muriel. This is from April 20. Let's see, we started March 23. So if I go back to March 23, well, you can see it here, 8,593. And if you scroll down here, it is today, it's May 5th. And you see here, May 5th, 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 5, 5, 5, 5. All these sales are just coming in. And some are but it's zero. That means that they picked a trial, or so this, after 2 weeks, these are $100. So these are rebuild things. But we had a $20, we have $400, we had not a $400, or no, this is a payment agreement, so that should be times 4. So it's very interesting to see what is coming out of here. And but that is just one thing. Nice, Dirk, that is, you are so successful with this, but how about other people? And we have a Dutch group, and it's raining commissions there. Let me show you here. You see here the affiliate blouder. It's a blueprint of affiliate marketing. It's a Dutch training. So, but I just want to show you here. These are people that are brand new online, zero experience. 22 hours ago, he made $400, and well, you see, I was barbecuing, and then I made $400 commissions. Here, Steve, again, $400 commissions. Positive mindset. It's all mindset. Where are they? Here, another sale. Many sales there are so many sales, but you also see that it has a particular thing. It's a home business academy, and this is something that we dove into, tested really securely, and before we shared it, and it has such a beautiful community in the way that it also has many results with other people, that it has people are with zero experience having results, and those are the things that I'm looking at. And I'm going to close Facebook here because that is so important. So how do you do this? How does that work? How do you make money online? Well, it is very important that you have a funnel, and a funnel starts with something like an opt-in page. And that is where you send people to. You find people online. No. People find you online, and they are interested in what you're doing. Hey, this person is traveling through Costa Rica, is living in Costa Rica. I'm so interested. What is he doing to make money there? Hey, and then they come to this page, for example. This crazy, awesome new business is the fastest, easiest way to grow an amazing income from home. Oh, okay, interesting. And they leave their name and email. You see? And then they come on the page where they see a bridge video. And under this page, under this video in the description, you see a link that looks like that. You might see a bridge video of me. You might see a bridge video of Muriel. That does not really matter. If you're here for the first time, you don't know who Muriel is, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the other 90% of the videos where you see Muriel. But here you see Muriel on the picture. So we live here with our 2 kids, or one. Our oldest said goodbye and moved back to the Netherlands for now. And so you have a capture page and bridge, and then they come to what's called a sales page, and then you will see this page. And here it is very important that you do a few things. If you want to make money online, right? If you want to seriously start a business online, then this is something we can definitely recommend. There's no MLM structure. If you do not succeed, it does not care. I don't lose out any money. But this is, for you. It has all the things you need. It has a funnel builder. So here you can build all the funnels. And here you see the member area and login. Yeah. And in the member area, you see everything that you have access to. Here you have the funnel builder, the funnel builder here, the HBA Premium, and Financial Literacy Academy, and Freedom Launchpad. So this is something you get access to if you have that and that. And this is something that I can really recommend you to have too. Even though it is maybe focused on the US, but if you start to make money here, what do you do with your money? How do you invest and so forth? So you can learn here. But even though I'm from the Netherlands, for me it's not so interesting. I bought this. Why? Because it enables me to make those $400 commissions. And those are very interesting, right? Those are the big jumps and leaps in front. So forward. So if I go here, you see the funnel builder. This is where you learn step by step exactly what a funnel is, how you use it, and there is so much support. There is live coaching. You have all access to it. There's 11 times a week they are live. Then you have premium. Okay, but how are people able to find you online? Well, you get free traffic. How do you do this? How can you make your travels in Costa Rica your way of income? That you learn here: short video lead generation, YouTube ranking, easy button YouTube strategy, the free Facebook ad methods, and so many ways to do free traffic. So if your budget is low, okay, you can start with this. Or you have fast track, and there are some paid strategies as well. Very important, very interesting. So you have the good of both. And the great thing is that they pay 80% commission. So if you make 2 sales, you have 0 costs. And you are living here freely in Costa Rica. No cost for your business, and you're making money already. So, and from there you continue. It's residual. So the sales that you make and you stay active means that they pay you, these 2 pay you this one pays you $20 a week if you promote this. And do you think that more people are interested in having an all-in-one business? Don't have to hassle to look for products. Don't have to hassle for, you know, all-in-one business. And from there, if you learn these skills, you can market anything. You're making your own jewelry. Hey, make a store. You can create a store if you like. Here, create a store and drive traffic to it. Traffic is customers to your business. It's like opening a restaurant and then the people on the street walking into your door. That is what you want to create. And this one is a one-time payment. You get 50% discount in the beginning, but it pays you a $400 commissions one time. But those $400 will pay for example, for your traffic. Or, I mean, do 5 of these. You know, you have already $2,000 in a month. So this is how we make not just this income stream, but this strategy you learn in this program, we implement on all our income streams. But start with one, and from there you can build and build and build and create more income streams from there. So I'm looking forward to welcome you in our community and take action. But I really do not recommend working a job in Costa Rica. But if you want to make money in Costa Rica, an online business is definitely the way to go. But I can understand you're hesitating. Feel free to reach out, ask your questions in the comment below this video. I will do my best to answer them as fast as possible and as clearly as possible. And but people that make money in this program are the people that take action and do not hold on to their fears. Let go. You can be free. And you can use the beautiful sceneries here in Costa Rica to create a full-time income. Really, trust me. And how, it will all be clear. Ciao for now. Bye.